lane.
Harper, we just call it ball lane.
Yeah, Hill Harper will go all the way through if she takes the Creek Road to back to 63.
You copy that? 24.
Yeah, I'm going down 133 now. You need me to turn around?
Yeah, go back to 63 in case she wants to head back north. I can only go so fast on this gravel road. I'm sliding all over it.
If she stays on the Hill Harper, it'll come out just south of Randall. Looking on the map, there's no turnoffs for a little while. It's just one straight road.
Therefore, can you tell about how far out we are from the end of this?
You're going to come to a T intersection here in just a little bit. If she goes left, there'll be another T, and then she'll have to go right. The other way is a dead end. When you come to that T, if she goes right, there's a dead end. If she goes left, it'll run back up to another intersection, another T. Are you in the lead?
Negative. I can see the county unit in front of me. I haven't caught up to them. I can't catch up right now.
Cool. Another one, she goes left at the dead end. Sorry, if she goes left, it'll lead to another one. She goes right at the dead end.
Yeah, where we are.
She took a left there, so I'm coming up to another T in a little bit. What's the name of the road that we coming on to 63 if she goes the right way? Hill Harper will run into 63 just south of Randall. Yeah, well, she around the resident.
10-4.
I'm behind.
You're in the lead.
Yeah, where you show 1037. For 1037 for 11.
63, if you're staying on the road you're on here just a little bit.
Be advised, I just made contact with her in the rear.
10-4.
Northbound 63.
24, you copy?
TBI.
2-4.
Start me at 1016, Pablo. Hold on. Turn that car off. Seatbelt. Step out. Get out. Get out. Go ahead and get out. Okay. Get out. Get out.
Ain't nobody gonna hurt you.
We're not gonna hurt you, man. Okay? But we need your hands right now. Here. You got her. Right here.
Please don't let that man hurt me. Please don't take me to the... Johnny, oh my God.
That was started all over. She said claim her son was stealing from her, but she down at Duck and Go chasing folks in the car.
Down my car.
Is what they said.
Him and David. And Shannon's involved too.
Yeah.
I know it. I got proof. I've already talked to somebody. How that hurt me?
Yeah.
Please don't hurt me. They got me locked up for
Yeah.
oh, please. Oh, thank the Lord. Oh, thank the Lord. I'm coming.
Go.
Please get me the ambulance.
Go.
I'll help. I'd have one of Duck and Go. He had to run off.
I did run off. I didn't know that's a lie.
Okay.
You're a liar.
Right on this side.
You are the reason. You right there.
I'm the reason.
Yeah, I know.
You did all that.
Get in there, man. Get your leg in there. Get in there. Get your leg in there. We'll get to the ambulance in just a minute.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's where you go. Appreciate it.
No problem, man. Okay. Ah, well. Goddammit. Let me back my car up. I don't know if my radiator's out too. Hers is. You got a tow truck on the way?